The burial of Lady Fatima, witnessed through the eyes of her devoted companion, Hazrat Asma. As Lady Fatima, the revered daughter of Prophet Muhammad, left this world, the weight of grief was shared by Hazrat Asma. In the silence that followed, a sacred responsibility unfolded. Lady Fatima also conveyed her will to Asma regarding the children. She peacefully departed this world while in prayer to God. Hazrat Asma played a crucial role in assisting Hazrat Ali in the bathing and shrouding of Lady Fatima. She also made coffin for her like she has seen in her migration to Ethiopia to conceal the dead bodies. In the shadows of sorrow, Hazrat Asma stood as a symbol of unwavering loyalty. Lady Fatima's funeral becomes a poignant reminder of the challenges faced by the Ahlulbayt. Their grief, while immense, is met with a profound commitment to preserving the teachings and legacy of Islam. Hazrat Asma's account, passed down through generations, serves as a testament to the enduring love and respect the Ahlulbayt deserve. Her words echo through time, carrying the weight of a sorrowful yet determined chapter in Islamic history.